Source number 2. Seasons in the Arctic and Antarctic. The reason we have seasons is because Earth is tilted. It stays tilted as it moves around the sun. Most of the people on Earth live near the middle of the planet. There it is not so tilted. The sun's rays come almost straight down. There, the hours of daylight and darkness are about the same. The seasons change about every 3 months. The 4 seasons of fall, winter, spring, and summer. However, there are places on Earth that are not near the middle. They do not experience 4 seasons. They experience 2, winter and summer. One such place is called the Arctic. It is mostly water, with land all around it. The Arctic is near the North Pole. Another is called the Antarctic. Unlike the Arctic, it is mostly land with water around it. The Arctic is near the South Pole. For 6 months, the Arctic is tilted away from the sun. This is the winter season. It is cold and dark. It snows a lot, and the ice never melts. Many days it is dark all day and night. People try to stay inside, but they still have to go to work. Children have to go to school. They turn on lots of lights. The dark days last from October through December. Then the sunlight slowly returns. As winter turns to summer, the days get longer and longer. Finally, summer comes. Some of the ice starts to thaw in May. The Arctic is now tilted towards the sun for 6 months. Much of the snow melts. Then it is sunny all day and night. All summer, the sun stays up. It is light all day long. It is light at night. That is why the Arctic is called the land of the midnight sun. People put dark curtains on their windows so they can sleep. But it can be hard to sleep when the sun is out. So sometimes they don't sleep. Sometimes they play baseball games in the middle of the night instead. Since the Antarctic has far less water than the Arctic, it is much colder. Like the Arctic, the Antarctic also has 2 seasons, but the seasons are during different months. When the Arctic is tilted toward the sun, the Antarctic is tilted away from it. So when it is winter in the Arctic, it is summer in the Antarctic. When it is summer in the Arctic, it is winter in the Antarctic. Unlike the Arctic, there are no towns in the Antarctic. People can't live there very easily. A few scientists live on small bases on the ice. They study the ice and animals. In the winter, around 10 people live on bases. In the summer, the number might be closer to 50. But even in the summer, the ice does not melt. It is still very cold. Still, at least it is light. When it is light, it is easier for the scientists to work.